Live streaming to a Facebook group doesn't need to be challenging. So in today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to be able to go ahead and live stream directly into a private Facebook group utilizing Evmux. So let's go ahead and dive into my Evmux account so you can see how easy this really is. Once you are inside of your Evmux account, you can go ahead and come to sessions, and we want to go ahead and create a new session. Now, if you already have a session created, totally fine. Just jump into the studio. So I'm going to go ahead and create a session here. I'm going to say stream to Facebook group, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now what this is going to do is going to allow me to open this up in the studio. So this is going to be the editor. If you've never been here before, this is where you're going to be able to create all of your scenes, make your live streams look professional, be able to manage all your social comments, and pretty much manage all of the production that you're going to be doing during your live stream. So once you're here, what we want to do is you want to come to the right hand side and select broadcast channels. Once you select that, it's going to say here, click here to add your first broadcast channel. You'll click that, you'll come to Facebook, and you'll select group. Now this is going to go ahead and prompt you to go ahead and get logged into your account. I'm already logged in, so it's instantly going to go and show me what group do I want to go ahead and stream to. So you find the group that you want to stream to, you simply select the one. I'm going to select the Evmux official group, and now what it's going to do is that since I'm already connected to my Facebook group, it's not going to prompt me to go ahead and do the final step inside of the Facebook group. So what you want to do is, before you do that, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and add an app to your Facebook group. So to be able to do that, you can just click the link that's going to pop up, allowing you to be able to add the app. If you don't see it, you can come directly to your Facebook group. And if you're not a part of the Evmux official Facebook group, you definitely want to go ahead and join that. I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you to be able to join the community. So once you're inside of your group, you want to come to where it says group settings. You're then going to want to scroll down to where it says apps. And you can see here that I already have my Evmux app installed. So you want to select add apps, and under the search, you're going to want to type in Evmux. Now for me, it's not going to appear simply because I already have it added. So you'll see it pop up, you'll select it, you'll give access to Evmux to have access to your Facebook group. And once you do that, you'll then see a window just like this, where now you'll see your group. You'll be able to add your title, say test. You'll be able to add the description, which is going to be the information that's going to go into the post. This is where you let your community know what your live stream is going to be about. So I'll say this is a test. And then you have the option to be able to go ahead and hit save and go live right away to be able to go ahead and start doing a live stream inside of your Facebook group. Or you have the option to be able to come here and schedule this for a later time. And this is typically what I like to do, is to set it up beforehand. Then I can upload my own thumbnail image just by uploading an image here. And then I can go ahead and add that there. You'll see it appear. I can crop it. Now it's ready to go. And then here's where I select the time that I want the live stream to go live. Once I hit save and publish, it's going to go ahead and schedule it. It's going to create an event inside of your Facebook group, allowing your community to know, hey, this live stream's coming up in a few days, or tomorrow, or in a few hours. And that's how you utilize the schedule feature. And once you have it all scheduled, what you simply want to do is you want to go ahead and select go live, and it's going to instantly push it to your Facebook group. Then you can manage everything directly inside of Evmux. So anyone that decides to comment during your live stream inside of the Facebook group will appear under this social tab here, where you'll be able to pop their comment up on screen to be able to show your appreciation for their engagement. And then one of the beautiful things is that you don't need to have a boring live stream. Utilizing our Pro Scenes tool, you're able to create scenes ahead of time, allowing you to be able to have a polished production. So if you want to learn how to be able to utilize the Pro Scenes tool, go ahead and check out this video right here, where I walk you step by step on how to create scenes ahead of time, how to add animated lower thirds, background music, banners, and graphics to be able to ultimately give you the best production possible for your live streams. I'll see you in the next video.